See your front door like never before with the Lorex 4K Wired Video Doorbell. This doorbell is not like other doorbells. This is the first 4K doorbell that offers a full vertical head-to-toe view, so you can see it all. Have you ever realized how many times your doorbell rings? Yeah, it's that much. That's why it's so important to have the best view so you don't miss a thing, especially your packages. See how other doorbells have a cropped image? Not this doorbell. It shows the full 9:16 perspective in true 4K resolution, so you can see more and keep an eye on what's important.
Thanks, you can leave the package at the door.
Can you relate trying to make one trip and drop your keys in the dark? Well, no more, with the doorbell's Nightlight to welcome you home. Get that added detail at night with Lorex's improved color night vision, so you can see who or what is at the door. Because life happens at your front door, let Lorex keep you connected and see your door in a whole new light.